This artificial island will power 3 million European households. Denmark built the world's first offshore wind farm in 1991. Now the country is embarking on another global first. It's building an artificial island in the North Sea that will eventually be capable of meeting all the nation's electricity needs, a history making 10 million homes. Denmark, the nation that built the world's first offshore wind farm, has agreed to an ambitious plan for another global first, an energy island in the North Sea, which could eventually be capable of supplying energy to a history making 10 million homes. The move will create a critical boost to the world's offshore wind capacity. The first hub and spoke energy scheme will involve building an island 80 kilometers off the Danish coastline to act as the transmission center for hundreds of wind turbines surrounding it. At $34 billion, it's the largest construction project in Danish history. The project is also a potential blueprint for other coastal nations to develop their own green energy sources. It's in Danish waters, yes, but it could conceptually be in any other country, said Peter Larson of the North Sea Wind Power Hub program. Energy hub for the world. The initial phase for the artificial island is around the size of 18 soccer pitches. Initially, the North Sea hub will be capable of producing 3 gigawatts of electricity, but the plan is to scale up to 10 gigawatts, which is nearly 1.5 times Denmark's current needs, as well as supplying other European countries with electricity. The goal is to use the new offshore island to produce green hydrogen from seawater, which can also be exported. Large batteries on the island will store surplus electricity for use when demand is high. Although the Danish government will own a majority stake, private companies will be invited to join a public private partnership to build the project. Power will be supplied by as many as 600 giant wind turbines, each standing up to 260 meters tall. 260 meters. Such efforts are key given new climate first commitments from countries around the world. As Reuters has reported, the European Union intends to depend entirely on renewable energy by 2031, increasing its energy capacity 25-fold by 2050. Offshore wind installations saw a slight dip in the mid 2000s, but have been growing ever since. In fact, 2020 saw record-breaking financial investments into offshore wind, according to the new data from the Renewables Consulting Group.